subject plus be verb plus adjective and preposition and ing, or what we call as gerund. Okay, so first I'm gonna give an example. So this word is accustomed to. For example, I'm gonna give an example. Okay, kindly read the example.
He is accustomed to having his own office.
Okay, having.
Having.
Okay. He is accustomed to having his own office. Where is our subject?
He.
Okay, so here is our subject. Where is our be verb? Okay, is our verb. And accustomed, what part of speech is that?
Adjective.
Okay, very good. Adjective. It follows to the pattern. Next to accustomed is an adjective. Next is we have to. Okay, preposition. This is a preposition. Be careful because sometimes to is very confusing. Sometimes if it is to plus verb, we call that infinitive. But if it is to plus noun, we call that preposition. Okay? And look at to having. Having there is what we call as ing form, or commonly known as gerund. Okay? Commonly known as gerund. Gerund, the form of gerund is verb plus ing. Okay? And it doesn't function as a verb, but rather it functions as a noun. Okay? Have plus ing, it could be